Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you a project I built called Bhangti Chai, which is a Bengali term meaning small change. This is a Flutter app that calculates how to break down any amount of money into different denominations of Taka notes. As you can see, you can enter any amount using this custom numpad and it instantly shows you exactly how many 500, 100, 50, 20, 10, 5, 2 and 1 taka notes you would need. Pretty cool, right? In this video, I'll walk you through the code structure, the key features and how everything works under the hood. Let's dive in. First, let's look at the project structure. This is a single file Flutter application with a stateful widget as our main component. This one. The app has two main parts, a custom numpad for user input and a change breakdown screen, breakdown display that shows the results. This app is fully responsive and works in both portrait and landscape modes, automatically adjusting its layout based on the device orientation, like this. Now, let's break down the main components of our code. We're using a simple set state approach with a string input variable that stores the current amount. Every time a button is pressed, we update the state and the UI reveals automatically. We have a list of 12 keys, numbers 0 to 9, a clear button and a backspace button. Each button triggers the handle key press method which updates our input string. This one. The calculate change method is the brain of our app. It takes the input amount and uses a greedy algorithm to break it down starting from the highest denomination, which is 500, down to the smallest, which is 1. It returns the map showing how many of each note we need. We use media query to detect orientation and render different layouts for portrait and landscape modes. In portrait, we have a column layout like this, while the landscape uses a row layout with the numpad on the right side. This one. Building this app, we had many interesting challenges. For instance, initially we when the change breakdown had many items, it would push the numpad off the screen. We solved this by using single child scroll view and proper constraint management. See, the numpad goes off the screen, but no issues. Now we can scroll the numpad up to to get the access of the backspace button and the clear button. Making the app work seamlessly in both orientations like landscape and portrait required different widget trees and careful sizing calculations. We needed to ensure the UI updates instantly while maintaining the data consistency. The set state approach proved perfect for this scale. Creating a layout that looks good on all screen sizes required percentage based sizing and flexible widgets like expanded and flexible. Now let me show you the final product in action. We can put down any number. It gives us the change breakdown. We can use backspace to delete a digit from the right side and the clear button to clear all the digits. This is an Android screen in portrait mode, in landscape mode. Let's see if it remembers the amount why even after the transition to the landscape mode. I put 500, or I can put any random value. Let's see if it remembers this number after the transition. Yeah, it did. Now let's check the app on some other device. This is an Android device, and now we have come to a tablet. This is the landscape mode of the tablet. We put a number, and then we transit to the portrait mode. Yeah, it remembered. As you can see, the app handles various scenarios beautifully, from small amounts to large sums, in both portrait and landscape mode in different devices. This project demonstrates how you can build a practical, useful application with Flutter in just a single file with around 2 to 300 lines of codes. Before I wrap up, I wanted to mention something important. This project was actually built as a class assignment for my coursework, which is why I am mainly showcasing the final results today. But I know that sometimes seeing just the finished product isn't enough, especially if you're new to Flutter or mobile app development. So here's my offer. If you would like me to create a complete series showcasing how I built this project from absolute scratch, and I mean from zero, installing Android Studio, setting up the Flutter environment, creating the project structure step by step, building each component live, solving problems as they come up, all the little details in between, please let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.